Enabling SmartNotes is quick and simple. First select Settings, then Subscription. Under Add-ons and Total Usage, locate the SmartNotes box and select Add to Plan. In the Configure Your Plan window, select Add to Plan checkbox, then select Update Subscription. If you're a part of a group practice, you can add seats by selecting the plus button before updating your subscription. To remove seats, contact customer support. To enable SmartNotes, either select Manage or navigate to Settings and Therapist. Select a therapist, then select Edit. Locate the SmartNotes section and select Yes to enable SmartNotes for that therapist. Directly below, you can choose the default template for that therapist, Session Note for the standard session format, SOAP Note for subjective, objective assessment plan formatting, and DAP Note for data assessment plan formatting.